classic point and click. Welcome back. You have reached so far. Nice. In this episode, I will install the updated Unity input system via the Unity Package Manager. Open the Package Manager. I like to pin the window to my layout. Look up Input System and Packages, Unity Registry. Hit Install to import the package to your game. Go to Player Preferences to set up the new input system as our game input system. If you forgot, the Player Preferences are in the Project Settings window. Locate the active input handling at the configuration region. Change it to the new input system we have just installed. We must restart Unity for our change to take effect. Unity saves everything as part of your project, including the window layout. That's impressive. Because it uses the old input system, our script should be broken if the new input system is installed correctly. Watch the next episode to refactor the scripts to match. Before you dive into the next episode, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Your support will allow me to freely create and share additional content with you. Thank you, and good luck.